Hello everybody, this is Gary. Today's All-America Selections Award winner is the second broccoli to win an award in 2024. It is called Skytree and it received a regional award and performs best in the West and Northwestern states, including Canada's British Columbia, most of California, Idaho, Montana, Oregon, Washington State, and Wyoming. This one does not grow as tall or wide as the previously discussed Purple Magic. Skytree will grow to 24 inches in height and only about 12 inches wide. It produces a loose crown of 4 to 8 inches wide. Judges describe it as sweet and tender. Expect one head per plant. Garden spacing is 12 to 24 inches and it is ready to harvest in only 70 days from transplanting or 85 days from seed. It's also tolerant to frost. Skytree will grow well in containers. Check the All-America Selections website for seed availability and where to buy them. Stay tuned for additional winners. There were 8 for 2024. This is Gary. Bye.